Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're coming across a message on your Windows computer that multiple connections to a server or shared resource by the same user using more than one username are not allowed. Disconnect all previous connections to the server or shared resource and try again. So this commonly happens during BIS installations on remote machines where a null sessions is created to access the UNC path for copying installations, configurations, XML, and installer MSI files. One common reason is mapping drives. When user map network drives using different methods to the same shared resource. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart the Windows Explorer. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area na ating taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag right click or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus Escape. Okay? And then select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. And once na-open mo na tong Task Manager, and then dito lang sa Processes tab ay kailangan mo lang ilocate dito yung Windows Explorer. Or dito lang sa searching address bar sa taas ay pwede mo yung i-search siya. So click mo lang yan. And type mo lang dito yung Windows Explorer. And makikita mo kaagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito is to restart. So select and right click. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung End Task. Alright? So once na-click mo na dito sa End Task, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart the workstation's service. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to click on Start menu. And dito lang sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-tap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box para mas madali na lang i-copy. So ilagay natin dito yung net space stop space workstations space /y. So Control plus C, copy lang natin yan. And dito ay paste natin Control plus B and enter mo lang siya. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin enter ay type mo lang dito yung net space start space workstations, and then copy lang natin yan, Control plus C, and then paste natin dito Control plus B and press mo yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na workstation service was started successfully, and the last command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay itong get service stations space space restart service, and then yung slash or -force. So copy lang natin yan. And the next step ay paste natin dito Control plus B and press mo lang yung enter. And then once nailagay mo na yung tatlong command keyword dito, and the next step ay close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix multiple connections to a server or shared resource by the same user. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.